Imagine having hiccups non-stop for 68 years. Sounds impossible, right? Well, meet Charles Osborne, the man who couldn't stop hiccuping. In 1922, Charles fell while weighing a hog, and something strange happened. He started having hiccups, 40 times per minute. Doctors had no cure, and his hiccups just never stopped. At his peak, he had over 57,000 hiccups a day. But here's the weirdest part. One day in 1990, they just stopped, on their own. Sadly, he passed away a year later, but not before setting a record. 430 million hiccups in a lifetime. What's your best remedy for hiccups? Let's know in the comments.